welcome back to Zap Learn. Now, this is a continuation of our previous part, that is fractions and decimals. This series concentrates on fractions and decimals completely from basics to pro level. In this video, in this part, we will concentrate on operations on fractions. What are operations? Operations are nothing but addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication and division of fractions. Now, let's get into a topic. Why does 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 looks very easy and 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 looks very scary? No, fractions just need the steps right. Let's go through how to do addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions, I have divided this into two concepts. The first one is having the same denominator, that means that fractions are having the same denominators. The second case is where the fractions are having different denominators. First, let's go to the first case, the same denominators. What you have to do? The rules are, you have to just add the numerators, keeping the denominators same. Again, you have to just add the numerators, keeping the denominators same. Let's go through an example. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. First of all, these two fractions are having the same denominator or not? What is the denominator of 5 by 8? 8. And what is the denominator of 2 by 8? 8. So, it falls under the case 1. What is the rule here? You have to add the numerators. 5 plus 2 and keeping the denominators same. 5 plus 2 is 7 by 8. That's it. That simple it is. Now we will go through the subtraction for the same denominator case. We will take the same fractions. Again the denominators are same. So keep the denominator as it is. What about the numerators? You have to simply subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 8. This is how simple the addition or subtraction of the fractions is with the case of same denominator. Now let's go to the different denominator case. What you have to do? You have to first make the denominators same. Then you have to follow the same case. How do you make the denominators same in this case? Finding a LCM. How to do that? Let's go through an example. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Now this is the case of different denominators because the first fraction's denominator is 5 and the second fraction's denominator is 3. So you have to make the denominator same. How do I do it? What is my first step? Finding the LCM. What? LCM of 5 and 3. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? It is 15. So 3 by 5, I have to make it as 15. How do I make 5 as 15? Where does 15 come in 5 table? 5 3s are. So I multiply both the numerator and denominator with 3. 3 3s are is 9. 9 by 15. Similarly, I have to do it for 1 by 3. 3 will become 15 at 5. 3 5s are 15. Multiply the numerator also with 5. 1 5s are 15. Now if you observe these two fractions, they both are having same denominators. So this falls under the case of same denominator. It's so simple. Now you can add them both. 9 by 15 plus 5 by 15. Keeping the denominator same, adding both the numerators. 9 plus 5 is 14. So the answer is 14 by 15. Now what about subtraction? It's the same case. Simple. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Again, I have to convert these two into same denominators. How do I do that? I will take the LCM and follow the same steps. 1 by 3 by 5 has got into 9 by 15. 1 by 3 has got into 5 by 15. Now that these both fractions have the same denominator, I will simply subtract these two fractions. Keep the denominator same, subtract the numerators. What is 9 minus 5? It is 4. 4 by 15. I hope you understood. I again repeat a quick recap. addition and subtraction of fractions can be divided into two types. The first type is having the same denominator and the second type is having different denominators. First, same denominator, you have to add the numerators keeping the denominators same. Now for the different denominator case, find the LCM of both the fractions. Now make the denominators same as I have explained here and add the numerators. So quick and easy. Now I would like all of you to pause the video and try to find out these fractions, additions and subtraction, and then comment down your answers. 2 plus 9 and 4 by 9 is equal to how much? And 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Comment down your answers. Let's go to your multiplication of fractions. Did you know that multiplication of fractions make the numbers smaller? Yes. Let's see how the fractions play this math trick. What is multiplication of fractions doing? The first part is fraction multiplied by whole number, fraction multiplied by fraction. I have divided the multiplication of fractions into two parts, where first one is fraction is multiplied by whole number and the second part is fraction is multiplied by the fraction. Let's go to the first part. Fraction is multiplied by whole number. Simple. Multiply the numerator, denominators also same. See, 2 by 5 into 3. Now what is, I'll explain here. 2 by 5 into 3. So I can write 3 as 3 by 1. Simple. Multiply the numerator with numerator and multiply the denominator with denominator. 2 into 3, 5 into 1. What is the fraction here? 2 into 3 is 6, 5 into 1 is 5. It's so simple. Now let's go to the second one. Fraction multiplied by fraction. The same thing, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Let's take an example of 2 by 5 into 3 by 7. Multiply the numerator with numerator, 2 into 3, and multiply the denominator into denominator, 5 into 7. What is 2 into 3? 6. What is 5 into 7? 35. So my fraction is 6 by 35. And please don't forget to simplify it. Is there any simplification possible here? 6 and 35? No. So this is the final answer. A quick recap on multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions makes the number smaller. The fractions can be multiplied. Simple trick is multiplying the numerator with numerator of other fraction and denominator with denominator of other fraction. That's it. You get the multiplication of fractions answer. Now, I would like you to try to do two problems. Comment down your answers. 2 into 7 by 5. 6 by 8 into 6 by 7 into 9 by 8. Comment down your answers. 2 into 7 by 5, 6 by 7 into 9 by 8. Now, let's go to the division of fractions. Division of fractions looks scary, right? What if I tell you that the division of fractions is nothing but a disguise of multiplication? Do you agree that? Let's prove that point. How to do division of fractions? Simple rule. Keep, change, flip. What to keep, what to change and what to flip. Keeping the first fraction as it is. Change the division symbol to multiplication symbol. Flip the second fraction. Let's go through that with an example. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. According to our rule, the first one says keep. What to keep? Keep the first fraction as it is. 2 by 3 as it is. Now change the division symbol to multiplication symbol. I have changed division to multiplication. Now flipping the second fraction. So I will make 5 as numerator and 4 as denominator. So that can be written as 5 by 4. Simple. The division has turned into multiplication. Now previously we learned how to do the multiplication of fractions, right? So it's the same way. What should I do? I have to multiply numerator with numerator. So that is 2 into 5. Denominator with denominator. 3 into 4. What is the answer? 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 4 is 12. And what is the important point here? What does exams love? Exams love you to simplify the fractions. So I can simplify this using 2 5s are 2 6s are. So what is the fraction that I got as the answer? That is nothing but 5 by 6. 5 by 6. A quick recap on the division of fractions. It follows simple rule. Keep, change, flip. What to keep? Keep the fraction, first fraction as it is. Change the division symbol to multiplication symbol. And then flip the second fraction. Like reciprocal the second fraction. Then it turns into multiplication. How to do the multiplication? Multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. You get 2 into 5 is 10 and 3 into 4 is 12. So the fraction is 10 by 12. Simplify the fraction. You get the answer as 5 by 6. Now I would like you people to try some examples. 3 by 7 divided by 2 by 5. I would like you to pause the video, do and comment your answers. That's it for this video. I hope you all understood how to do the operations on fractions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Zaplan. See you in the next video.